Step-by-step guide to creating an LLC for Amazon. If you're planning to start a business on Amazon, you may want to consider creating a limited liability company, LLC. An LLC provides personal asset protection, while also offering tax benefits and flexibility. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to creating an LLC for Amazon. Step 1. Choose the state of registration. The first step in creating an LLC is to choose the state in which you'll register. Each state has different rules and regulations regarding LLCs, so it's important to do some research and choose the state that's best for your business needs. Some popular states for LLC registration include Delaware, Nevada, and Wyoming, as they offer favorable tax benefits and have business-friendly laws. Step 2. Choose a name for your LLC. The next step is to choose a name for your LLC. This should be a unique name that's not already taken by another business. You can check if the name you want is available by using the state's business name database. It's also important to ensure that your chosen name complies with Amazon's seller policies. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is a legal document that establishes your LLC. You'll need to file this document with the Secretary of State in the state where you've chosen to register your LLC. You'll need to provide basic information such as the name and address of your LLC, as well as the name and address of the registered agent. Step 4. Obtain an EIN, an Employer Identification Number. EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You'll need to obtain an EIN by filing an application with the IRS. You can do this online, by phone, by fax, or by mail. Step 5. Create an LLC operating agreement. An LLC operating agreement is a legal document that outlines how your LLC will be run. It should include information such as the roles and responsibilities of each member, how profits and losses will be allocated, and how the LLC will be managed. Step 6. Register for a seller account on Amazon. Once you've created your LLC, you'll need to register for a seller account on Amazon. This will involve providing basic information about your business, such as your business name and address, as well as your tax information. Step 7. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain licenses and permits to operate legally. This can include things like a business license, a sales tax permit, or a zoning permit. Check with your state and local government to see what licenses and permits you need. In conclusion, creating an LLC for your Amazon business can offer many benefits, including personal asset protection, tax benefits, and flexibility. By following these 7 steps, you can create an LLC and start selling on Amazon with confidence. Thanks for watching.